Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Rocket League. Server is from the wrong region. Please try again later, error 91. If you're running into this error, here's a quick fix. Start by opening the main menu and selecting your game mode, then head over to the regions section. Instead of using the recommended region, manually select the server region you want to play in and uncheck the recommended option. This ensures you connect to the correct region and avoids the error. This method also works for private matches, so when hosting or joining a private game, make sure the region is set to your preferred location rather than the recommended one. Once you've selected your region, close the menu and your game should connect smoothly without the regional server error. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.